Hello guys, in this video we will see how to install and configure MySQL Server 8.0.43 on RHEL 9 versions. Okay, first open any web browser, also open terminal, then go to MySQL official website, that is mysql.com. Then click on downloads, then scroll down, then click on MySQL community downloads, click on MySQL community server, then select the version. See here we have the 8.0.43. okay, select it. If you are unable to find, click on archives. There you will find all older versions. Then select operating system, Red Hat Enterprise Linux, then select OS version. See here we have the Red Hat Enterprise Linux 9 or Oracle Linux 9 x86 64-bit. Select it. See, once we selected it, populated the list of the RPM packages that needs to be downloaded and installed. But instead of downloading each package, just download this RPM bundle. Click on download, then click on no thanks, just start my download. See, download started and its size is about 900 megabytes. Wait until download completes. Once download completes, then we will enter the star file and we will install MySQL Server 8.0.43 on RHEL 9. Okay, this will take time. I am pausing this video. In the meantime, please subscribe my channel for more tutorials. See, download is completed. Now go to terminal, go to downloads directory, ls. See here we have the MySQL Server tar file. We have to untar it. tar-xf, then give MySQL, then press the tab to autofill entire tar file name. Hit enter. ls. See here we have the list of the RPM packages. We have to install them. So to install them, we have to run the command sudo rpm -ivh no deps, means no dependencies, *rpm. Hit enter. Provide the password of sudo user. Hit enter. See, we are installing MySQL Server 8.0.43. See, we have successfully installed. Now verify the status of the MySQL service. Sudo control sudo systemctl status MySQL D. If you don't give the D, it won't work. Okay. See, it won't work. So we have to give. See, MySQL service is installed, but it is not started. So start it. Q to quit. Just replace the status with start. Enter. Verify the status. See, MySQL Server is running and it is enabled. Q to quit. Now we will connect to MySQL Server. But to connect to MySQL Server, we must have the password of any MySQL user account. But we don't have any MySQL user account. So we can get the MySQL root account temporary password by going to more/var log mysqld.log grep password. Hit enter. We have to run this command with sudo. See, this is the temporary password for the root account. Okay, so to set permanent password, we have to run sudo mysql _secure _installation. Hit enter. Then paste this temporary password, copy it and paste it. Copy it, paste it, hit enter. Now set the password for root account. Remember this password, later we need this password to log in. See, I don't want to change again. No. Remove anonymous users. Yes. No. Yes. Yes. All done. We have successfully set the password for root account. Control L. Now connect to MySQL Server. MySQL -u root is the username, -p, then provide the password that we have set for this root account. See, we have successfully connected to MySQL Server version 8.0.43. You can also verify the same by running the command select version. See, we have connected to MySQL Server 8.0.43. Now verify the list of the databases. Show databases. See, these are the default databases that comes with MySQL installation. Let us create the database. Create database. Now verify the same. See, we have created new database bank. Now switch to this database and create a table. To switch to database, you have to run the command use, then provide the name of the database. Now create a table. See, you have created a table. Let us insert some data into this table. See, we have inserted these rows. Okay, now we will create user. Before that, verify the list of the users. Control L to create screen. Show users. This won't work, but we can get the list of the users by running select user from MySQL dot user. See, these are the default users that comes with MySQL installation. Create user identified by, provide the password. See, we have created user David. Now exit from the current session and connect with this new user MySQL-u. Username is David-p. Then provide the password. Whatever is there in singular double quotes, it is the password. So provide that. Now verify the currently logged in user. Select current underscore user. See, we have logged into the MySQL server with the user David. Now try to access the database that we have created. See, access denied for user David to database bank. Why? Because we have created user but we haven't granted any privileges to access any objects. That's why we have received this error. Exit. Now we will see how to stop, start and restart MySQL server 8.0.43 on RHEL 9 versions. Sudo systemctl stop MySQL d. Verify the same status. See, MySQL service is inactive or dead. Q to quit. Control A. We can also verify the same by trying to connect to MySQL server. See, we are unable to connect because MySQL server is stopped. So start it again. Sudo systemctl. See, MySQL server is started. Okay, if you want to restart, just give sudo systemctl restart MySQL d. See, MySQL server is restarted. Okay, until now we have connected MySQL server by using MySQL command line client. You can also connect MySQL server by using most popular tools like MySQL Workbench or DBWare. Okay, you can search for my YouTube channel how to install MySQL Workbench or DBWare on RHEL versions. RHEL. Okay, unless these files are not required anymore because we have successfully installed. So remove them to clear the space. rm star.rpm. This command will do all RPM packages from the current directory. ls, see here we have one more file. Remove it also. rm mysql, press the tab to autofill entire tar file name. Hit enter. ls, we have cleared the space. Okay, so in this video we have seen how to download, install and configure MySQL Server 8.0.43 on RHEL 9 versions. Okay, for more MySQL tutorials, please subscribe my channel. Thank you.